gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to do a basic customization for your Acuity site for free 99. This is a very basic template, but with these steps you can also customize your template further and add photos and other elements as well. So you're going to open up the Canva app and you're going to type in Instagram story in the search bar. You're going to click the first photo. It should be a blank photo, and then you click the template again to add color or use the plus sign, and then you choose your color according to your brand. And that is what I'm doing here. I wanted to do green at first, but then I just decided to go with black. You could use any color or add your business colors to the customized code. Then you're going to go to add text, and there are many different fonts that you can choose from. So just do what's best for you and at least pick 2 different fonts. So that's what I'm doing right here. And you're going to type in whatever you want to type in and greet your clients and all that good stuff, and make sure you thank them for booking. And I call everybody gems even on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm putting hey gems, and I want to say thank you for booking, and that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to resize it to my liking. And then I'm going to go in and choose my second font and type whatever I'm going to type as well. And in this case, it will be booking policy. So I use 3 different fonts for my basic booking app template. So yeah, you could choose any template that you want. And this is on the free version of Canva. I was using Gloss Genius at first, but then I switched to Acuity because it allows me to hide my address since I'm home based. So that's why I'm using Acuity for now until I get my suite, and then I'll go back probably to Gloss Genius, you guys. So you're just going to move the words around how you want them to be placed, make them cute, be creative. You can use the same fonts I'm using in the same template, but you could probably make it look better than what I did. And then I just changed the color, and I'm going in to find a line. You're going to go to elements after you press the plus sign, and then you're going to type in line or whatever element that you want to put to break up your policy template. So that's what I'm doing here. I just chose like a simple basic line, and then I'm going to go back to that same font, and then I'm going to type in booking policy. It is best if you have all your stuff you want to put in typed in your notes or something before you do this, because I just freestyled this and typed my policy in, and then after this video I had to change it. So yeah, after that I just went back and I duplicated the text, and you just click the text, and then at the bottom it will say duplicate. If you don't see it, just scroll over. As you guys see, I'm just duplicating everything and then just typing the words that I want to have, on my site and whatever. And you're going to be rearranging and resizing a lot doing this tutorial or doing your app like I did. So yeah. And then I just went back to pressing the plus sign, went to elements, and then I just typed in yellow rectangle. And then I just added that and resized it to my liking, what you guys see me doing here. And then I'm looking for another font that I want to use. So you could look for fonts using the plus sign, or you could click the text and then move over to your left and click fonts, and then other fonts will come up like it did here. This is really simple, you guys, and I'm just going to be duplicating everything instead of going back and forth pressing the plus sign and doing all that other stuff. Once I have the text I want for what I want everything to say. So you guys will be seeing that as well. And then I just copied and pasted my policy. I had took a break from the video and then start typing into my notes what I wanted it to say, and I'm just moving everything around so everything could fit, because I didn't want all those pages like everybody have. I just wanted one simple page because people do not like to read, and I want to make this as easy as possible for the client. So that's why I only did one page. You can also use the same template and add like your work or reviews, whatever you want to add. And then you can also go in and add different elements, change the fonts, add shadows, everything that you guys see me doing here. I left it so that you can see everything that I'm doing. It's really, really easy, you guys, because I was not finna pay nobody $25 to do this for me. And I know eventually I was going to want to change it or something. So I just did it myself. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. Let me know down in the comments if this was helpful for you. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you guys. Leave me a green heart emoji if you find this helpful as well. You know, I'm out here helping all my new service providers like myself. We go do everything we can for free, because starting a new business is not easy. So when you are all finished, you want to be sure to save your work. Then you want to log into your Acuity site, and then you want to go into appearance, and then you want to go down. Make sure your thing is on daily. You're going to delete whatever is in your scheduling instructions. Go to the photo on the right, and then you're going to add your picture and then save it, and you're all done. Our booking app should look something like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X, pretty little skinny little bitty.